Hello everyone, I'm Tatiana Pechonchik, the head of the Human Rights Center Zmina. We are Kyiv-based organization working across Ukraine, documenting war crimes and crimes against humanity, a member of Ukraine 5 AM coalition. We document abductions and enforce disappearances of active members of the local communities on the territories which are newly occupied by Russia. As for now, we've documented 163 cases of abductions, enforced disappearances of journalists, activists, human rights defenders, local city mayors, village councils in the 8 regions of Ukraine. Help and support our work.